I always wondered, how can I have less stress and more success? Well, I love to sit here at the pool. My dog just joined me, so sorry, don't mind Diego. But it was never been like this. It is only like since the last few years that I started noticing having less stress and more success. And I even noticed the moment that I received less stress, I received more success. So how, as a starting dropshipper, or like if you're being in e-com or you're doing dropshipping right now, how can you have less stress and more success? Maybe you're just being behind your laptop 24/7, changing the ads, changing the hooks, changing your ad copy, and you're thinking, yes, this will be the reason why my ads will be successful and why I will see the consistent results. But I can tell you, I have been there and I've done that. I was at my laptop 24/7 in my ads manager, at my landing pages, tweaking everything I could, and I did not see the results. Once I started to have less stress about that one, I started to see more success coming in. So in this video, I will talk about the path with the least resistance, because that's exactly what the dropshippers are doing right now. They're choosing the path with the most resistance. And I can tell you that that will be stressful forever. So in this video, I will talk about the path with the least resistance, how you can implement it yourself, plus how you can leverage the stress of other people's and make that more success with you. So in this video, I will talk about how to have less stress, more success by implementing this system that I have developed for myself, so I can sit at the pool and not worry about my ads and not about consistency of results, but also how you can implement this straight away, this framework, so you can have the same, and how you can leverage the stress of other people's. Because a lot of stupid dropshippers are still sitting behind their desk 24/7, testing a lot of ads, testing a lot of products, and we can leverage that. So let me get behind my laptop and let me show you what I mean. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, because a lot of dropshippers are not leveraging this. So if you want to start an online business, if you want to start your dropshipping business, please do it the correct way. Have less stress, but more success. So what I mean with that is, a lot of people will start their dropshipping with Facebook ads or TikTok ads. But please bear in mind, people are not buying products on these platforms. People are scrolling on Facebook, scrolling on TikTok just to connect with some friends, maybe a little bit trash talking about each other, but that's it. It's just a social media platform. If I want to buy some stuff, I go to Google. I just go to Google, type in this blue polo, and I will buy the blue polo with the best offer and the best branding. That's exactly what I do. This is how most of the people are shopping nowadays. A lot of people are not shopping on Facebook or TikTok. That's why if you are running Facebook ads, you need to be a king in marketing. And if you need to be a king of marketing, you need to learn a lot of stuff. I'm lazy, I don't want to learn all the stuff, how to make sure that people are impulse buying. No, I am letting the dropshippers, the dumb dropshippers, do the hard work. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So what I mean is, we're here in the Facebook ads library where we can check all the ads that are online. So for example, I always take this one as an example, dog calming bed. So everything that is around a dog bed will be shown in the ads here. So let's see what people are advertising. Now, a lot of ads are online for a calming dog bed. You see, these people are making the craziest content about this product, and this will cost a shit ton of money. You need to make the creatives, you need to think about the ad copy, etc., etc. Like all these beautiful videos, they're crazy, right? This is very, very nice. But the funny thing is, you see how many people are even putting a lot of ads online about this product. All right, so let me go over to Google and see what people are advertising. So we go to google.com. So here you see all the ads of people that are running Google ads. These are all Google shopping ads. It's insane. A lot of people are running ads to the same product. You see so many people running with the same product, and these are normally all of them, 90% of them are all dropshippers, because a lot of them, they have no reviews here on the bottom, and most of the time these are all dropshippers. And you see how many people don't have any reviews in here. So this is funny to see, and you can just check what everyone is advertising here and you see all these different products. But these guys are leveraging the traffic of the people that are running Facebook ads. People are just spamming the Facebook ads with a lot of traffic to this certain product, and people will go search for it. So what I mean with that is, if you go to Google Trends and we search for it, calming dog bed, and we go to United States, past 5 years. You see, this was normally big trend and now it's dying off, but still people are making a shit ton of money with these ads because people are still running ads on Facebook. And this is exactly what's happening. This is exactly what's happening. A lot of people start running Facebook ads to different products, spam test different winning creatives and check if there is a winning product between it. But this is not the case. With Facebook ads, you will be paying by CPM. CPM means cost per mil. So this means by impressions. If you have 1,000 impressions on your ad, Facebook will charge you money. And these CPMs are going crazy, between $20 to $40. Insane, it's crazy. With Google, it's differently. If I even see all these ads, what I'm doing right now, Google will not charge these advertisers. Google will charge these advertisers when I click on it. But people click on it when they have already seen the website, they have seen the shipping time, they have seen the offer. So for example, if I want to click on this one, $44.95, I believe it was, yeah, $44.99. I already know what the price is. I have already seen the product. Now I know I want to buy this. The buying intent on Google is much, much higher. And now this one has been charged maybe $1 for this click, maybe $1. This is so powerful. And I will show you exactly, I'm doing this at the moment as well. So if I go to my ad account from yesterday, it's August 22. This is today, by the way, sorry. I go to yesterday, August 21st. We have spent 866 euros. And if we go to yesterday, here you see it again, refresh. I will refresh it. We have yesterday 2.8k in revenue. So that's a sweet ROAS of 3.1, 3.2, 25% margins at least. So we are making a good amount of money with just leveraging Facebook ads from others and putting these products on our store. So I can just go with, for example, all these products that are dropshippers. I can take their product, for example, this pop chill. I can take this product and I can put it on my store because this product is just on AliExpress, right? Everyone runs this product, everyone knows it. This is a dropshipper, by the way. I can instantly see that this is a dropshipper with the Shrine team. This is someone that's dropshipping. I can put the exact same product with almost the same landing page, of course, we only borrow, on my website, and I can just wait till he scales. If he starts testing way more advertisements on Facebook, and I will leverage that on my Google store. And that's exactly what I've been doing with this store. I did not touch the ads anytime yet. So if I go to the campaigns, if I go to my campaign, for example, into the main campaign, this is spending 700 euros a day. Change history, you will see I did not change anything yesterday. Let me go 2 days back. Did I change anything? No, no changes. Did I do 3 days ago any change? Yep, here we changed something. That's one thing that we changed. 4 days ago, nothing. So you see already in the last 7 days, we did one change on August 19 in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, we did one change to the ad manager. And the funny thing is we only tested a new ad set. That's it. In 7 days, we did one change. And we have done this, I believe, in 10 minutes. This is just here you see, like we started at 5 p.m. and we ended at 5:16. 16 minutes of work. That's what we did for the whole week on the ads. It's insane. And this is exactly what I've been teaching in the online community, 90 Days to Online Freedom. Here you see, I will refresh it. This is my community. First link is in the description. The store that I showed you here is totally public to the community. So in the classroom, if you go to the classroom and you see the live recordings, you will see how I've started and built this store from scratch. Here I was doing the product research. Here I was setting up the Google Merchant Center. Here I started running the ads somewhere. Here I started running the ads. And I started running the ads and I scaled it to 100k a month within 16 weeks in these recordings. You will see literally everything, my ads, my products, my stores. And right now we are doing it even crazier. We are doing this as well to Q4 and we are going to scale this to 1 million in Q4. Oh, someone just joined the community. So if you want to join, first link is in the description. You will see if I go to the wins, a lot of people are making a shit ton of money. Someone just made his first sale yesterday and then, 2 days ago, the first sale and yesterday 2 sales. Someone is making 10k already. Someone is doing 2.6 million with Google. Someone is doing 100k a month. People are going insane. I can keep scrolling with these wins. And this community just started and people are making insanely big amount of monies with just on autopilot. So if you're interested, I would love to see you in there and I see you in the next video. Bye.